Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Today, we're taking a look at the Tom Morris Willie portfolio and discussing the Tom Morris Willie channel. Before we start, let me formally say thank you for 200 subscribers. It's truly been a ride, and I can't wait to see where we go from here. Along with that, last Thursday, February 10th, marked the first anniversary of Morris Money. This coming year, I hope we hit 1,000 subscribers, even more. That's a 400% increase from current levels, but I think we can accomplish it. Now, let's start the video. Starting with me as an investor, I've truly fallen from grace. At my peak, I was ranked in the top 50,000 of tip-rank investors with a 4.5-star rating. Now I have a half-star rating and I'm in the low 500,000s. This is disappointing, but doesn't surprise me. A lot of my positions are somewhat risky and are on the small to medium cap spectrum. As we all know, these stocks are getting sold off, so it's not that surprising. In the short term, my portfolio, my rank investors, and my ego are taking a beating, but over time, I think my portfolio has the potential to outperform the market. Looking at individual stocks I own, let's start with a company that's done well for me, Barrick Gold. We did a video on Barrick Gold talking about their upcoming dividend earlier this week, so if you haven't checked it out, check it out. But with a over 25% return, I think it could be time to sell out the position. While nothing's for sure, if I decide to sell, it'd be after the dividend expiration date. This is because I have to learn to take profits, something I haven't done enough, because all too often I've seen generous profits only to see them dwindle. Another thing I've noticed, not only with Barrick but many other stocks, is the decrease in price targets. Last week, the average price target for GOLD was $28, now it's sitting at $20. With a now potential decrease in returns, it might be a smart idea for me to sell Barrick. Nobody gives the case of why selling can be smart more than Senseonics. Trading below $1, Senseonics has had an interesting month, shooting up to highs in the 370s to now below $1. I've gone from being up around 30% with my overall position to currently being down almost 40%. That's a 70% change within 2 weeks. I think the whole Senseonics situation has been a circus. One of these massive sell-offs could have been from people buying the rumor and selling the news. The other could have been management botching the whole ordeal. On the day of the FDA approval, arguably one of the most important days for Senseonics as a company and Senseonics shareholders, management released laughably low revenue estimates. Here's the good news. This could be the perfect time to make massive returns. At Senseonics under $1, the stock is dirt cheap, and let's not forget fundamentally, nothing's changed. If anything, the company's gotten better. We got the FDA approval we wanted, and I think Senseonics could easily beat the financial estimates management provided, screwed up Senseonics in the short term. But long term, they could be giving us the opportunity of a lifetime. Finally, a quick note on AG&C. I still love the company, but with rates increasing, a company like AG&C that relies on low short-term rates might not be that attractive. I don't plan on selling anytime soon, but I'll be researching other potential REITs. Finally, taking a look at my portfolio as a whole, I plan on removing ETFs from my portfolio. The two ETFs I own are inverse ETFs that I don't plan on holding long term. When it comes to buying, I plan on buying more AG&C, Levi, Utz, Lucid, and Eyeless, along with buying more silver. When it comes to adding new positions, I don't have any companies on my radar, but that can always change. We decided to do this Morris Money / portfolio / Tom Morris Willie update today because February 18th was the day Tom Morris Willie was created. This will stand as an annual report type day, and we'll have other times during the year where we'll have quarterly update type videos. Let me know below what you think about my portfolio, the stocks I'm buying, selling, and how you feel about them below. Next week, we'll be breaking down this video into shorter videos and then taking a week off to do some maintenance on the channel. Until then, please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.